Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. Today we'll be making a dark cherry wine, so stay tuned. Today we'll be making a 1 gallon batch of a dark cherry wine. Before we go over what you need, I just want to tell everybody, my listeners, that I haven't been around for a couple of weeks, about a month now. I had the corona. I'm just now getting to where I can breathe good enough and talk good enough. And once all that was over, I threw my back out. Yes. So, thank you for hanging in there with me, and we'll get back to making videos every week. So let's go over what you'll need to make this 1 gallon batch of a dark cherry wine. Alright, let's go over what you'll need to make this 1 gallon batch of a dark, sweet cherry wine. Of course, you'll need 4 pounds of dark, sweet cherries. I got these from Costco, so we need 4 pounds. 3 cups of sugar. 1 gallon of a quality water. And today we'll be using a Red Star. Turn it around. Red Star Premiere Rouge. We'll need a 2-gallon fermenting bucket. So let's get started. Alright, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is add your fruit to your fermenting bucket, and you'll need a way to warm up your water. I can use electric tea kettle. You can use anything you want just to get your water up enough, hot enough, because some of this is still a little frozen. So we want that water warm enough so we can melt all the fruit. Alright, so we've added our 4 pounds of dark cherries. We added our 1 gallon of quality water. Give it a little stir. And kind of press the cherries a little bit. We want them to give up their juicy tasting goodnesses for this wine. So just press them against the sides gently. You ain't got to go all gangbusters with it. Just barely press it against the side. I said that hot water will help thaw out what was not thawed out. Get it the rest of the way thawed out. Look at that pretty color. So I'm going to continue to press these, and we'll be right back. Alright, we got that a good stir going on. So we're going to add our 3 cups of sugar. 3 cups of sugar added. We're going to give it a good stir this time. We want to get some oxygen. So give it a good vigorous stir. Oxygen before it ferments, it's good. Oxygen after it ferments, not so good. So we hadn't added our yeast yet, so we're going to give it a really good vigorous stir. Get all that sugar. You can keep on stirring until you no sugar left on the bottom. Yeah, give that a stir. Smells good. This smells good. Look how dark and rich that is. This is going to make a great red wine. Now once you got it stirred up really good, the only thing left to do is add your yeast. And again, this is a Red Star Premiere Rouge. And you can give it a little stir if you want. Nothing too crazy. And that's it. We'll be back to wrap things up. That's how you make a dark cherry wine. Fermentation should start in a day or so and last up to 7 to 10 days. After that, we're going to transfer that off into a 1 gallon glass carboy to let it age for a little bit. Then we're going to bottle that up, and once it clears and it's good, and once it clears and it's good, this one we're going to bottle it up. Then we're going to let it sit a while, then we're going to enjoy. If you like what you see here and you want to help support my channel, there's some Amazon affiliate links in the description below. If you click any of those links and go about your normal Amazon shopping, I will get a commission that will go to help me buy equipment and ingredients. Also, if you like what you see here, smash that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new video and a new wine. This is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is to